I was getting excited to myself. I was pumping myself up every day. Couldn't wait.
If you are looking to make money online, I would say just check this out first.
For all online sales, Amazon's going to take 50% of that, the recent stat that came out. So, I mean, it is the future, it is the present. To not be involved with it seems a little bit ridiculous.
Day one, Adam comes out, starts telling you, okay, this is what we're doing. This is how we're doing it. Don't ask me why, but this is how it works. I'm going, okay.
Well, I actually quite like his style because he's pretty blunt. Might not always be someone else's style, but just I'm kind of a no-nonsense. Just tell me what I need to know. I don't need it sugar-coated.
One thing I like about Adam is he says it as it is. And I like people being truthful with me from the beginning.
I think it's a good measure of being straight up information. Yeah, it feels really real. Feels real.
I'll make my own decision, but he's like to the point and basics, right? And that's, I think, what you need to get started is just the basics.
But then he's starting to show, okay, these are all the other people that can possibly do it. And I'm going, well, these guys are average. They know what they're doing. They're making money. And I said, well, why can't I?
It's really interesting that they've managed to get some of their top performers to actually come here in person, and people that have actually been at the event a year ago are actually on the leaderboard. That makes it a lot more real and tangible and a lot less, airy-fairy type stuff.
I really like the programs as far as to figuring out the profit and even just knowing how to choose products and looking and see what their daily, how many are sold every day.
I've learned, I would say, virtually everything that I need to be successful on Amazon. The only thing that remains is just that I've realized it's not something that I can just do by myself. I need help.
No nonsense. He tells you what it is. And I said, you know what? Why not? Let's give it a gamble. Opportunities will come and go. And believe it or not, you don't realize the opportunity until you lose it. And then you kick yourself in the head saying, why didn't I try anything?